Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're gonna have a bit of a more fun program to do. So basically it's gonna be, that's just commented out, sorry. These lines are all commented out from another program because I'm so messy and like all my programs are just together but just commented out, but whatever. So this is my magic 8-ball, and if you don't know what a magic 8-ball, basically a magic 8-ball is a ball that you throw into the air and then it gives you an answer like randomly. Kids usually like it to help them make their decisions, but personally, it's totally random though, so sorry, but it's not very reliable. But I'm just gonna go with the random thing because it's easiest, and I'm not smart enough to invent like a whole AI that knows like everything and all the answers to your question. So basically, these are just ask a yes or no question, and as detailed over here, the magic 8-ball will help you decide. So now we're gonna run it. Running it. My computer's getting slower and slower. So ask a yes or no question, and magic 8-ball will help you decide. So what should I ask? Well, okay, how do I not expose myself? Let's see. Am I female? So the sources say, okay, so it's not always correct. It says no, but in reality I am a female though, so like just a heads up, I'm not a male. But yeah, it can often be wrong because it's random. But here are the list of replies, possible replies: most likely yes, most likely no, blah 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 blah. And yeah, this is not the most efficient way of coding, but it's the funnest, okay, and it's the easiest. So yeah, this is my code, and then ensure, say yes. And so for example, if I ask the same question again and my female, then it recognizes it, and I think I like that because it's more advanced than the other 8-balls perhaps. So yeah, that's pretty much the end of my program. And this is my code, not including the commented out messy stuff. And yeah, I did this whole thing by myself just so that I'd have someone to like tell me what to do, help me make decisions like, should I go to work now? It is decidedly so. That's sad. Well, I'll have to go to work now, sadly. Bye. See you tomorrow, hopefully. Wait, no, not on the weekends. I don't post on, maybe.